Hello people, welcome to another video, and today I'm going to be making a fortune teller slash chatterbox. So what you need is a square piece of paper and a pencil. Just keep the pencil aside for now. So what you do is you fold the paper diagonally, unfold, and then fold the other way. From corner to corner. Okay. And now you fold like this. So you've already done the diagonal ones. Now you're doing the half and half ones. And then this. Try and make it as centered as possible. Okay. Now you should have what is like an eighth. Okay. And now you fold this inwards like this. And then you repeat this for all the sides. So it should be like this. And now you flip it over. And then you take the pointed corners and you fold them towards the middle. And you do this for all the sides as well. So now you fold this to one side, so you have two flaps on each side. So what you need to do now is you take these flaps and you put your thumb and your index finger in both of them, like this. Just puff these squares out a bit, and then just pinch them inwards. So it was like this before. Now pinch them inwards and you should have this shape. Okay? Now what you're going to do is this is the mechanism of it, okay? And then for this you add colors, or colors. So for example, purple, my favorite color, and blue, one of my other favorite colors, red, and say orange. Okay? And then, so when you look at it like this, it looks like this. So you have red here, orange here, purple here, blue here. Okay? Now when you open this up, there will be these. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So what you do is you number them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay? And in here, you write any message. For example, you are nice. Nice. Yeah, something like that. So what you do now is you fold it back, and then you put your fingers in here. And so you ask the person what color, and then for example they say red, so you go like R-E-D, and then you say choose a number, and then they say 3, so you go like 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then you ask them again, and then they say 2, so 1, 2. Okay, and then you ask them what number they choose out of these, and then for example they say 1. So you open this up, and on the corner of 1 will be written whatever message you wrote in there. Thank you for watching. This is how you made a fortune teller slash chatterbox. Hope you liked the video. Like, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.